Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Neptune grape. I'm out in our trellised grape area, I guess our vineyard. Normally I do our grape videos in a hoop house because it's very cool up here in the Pacific Maritime Northwest. And our grapes don't ripen very early when we don't get them under plastic. But this was the first full year where we had grapes growing out, planted in ground and without any covering, and we're pleasantly surprised with how they ripened. I come out because we want to grow grapes for our local customers, and Neptune is one of those grapes that grew well. Even though it's very late in the season, these are ripe. They're very good. Neptune is a seedless green grape that tastes wonderful. It's got a more unique flavor than you would get at the grocery store, which is true for a lot of the fruit we grow here. And if you grow your own fruit, particularly grapes, they're going to have a flavor that is not that has character. It's not like the flavorless giant grapes we get at the grocery store. The only thing I do to it is I prune it back to a couple of vines, and then I just let it grow. I may do a couple of ties along our string here, but that's about it. Very low maintenance, very productive, and perfect grape for cool seasons. I did put some of these bunches of grapes in paper bags to protect them, but I came out a couple days ago, removed all the paper bags because it didn't seem like I needed them. And then I saw some crows show up, and they started working their way through the grape bunches. And then I see this guy right here. And this was another beautiful bunch of Neptune grapes that clearly got snagged by, I'm guessing, a raccoon. This is Neptune table grape, seedless. Tastes great. It's a wonderful eating grape, and it's also good for cool environments because it will ripen before the first frost.